Welcome. In this video, we're going to install Git on the Mac. Open up your terminal program and simply type Git version, then press enter. If you get this response, that means Git is not installed. However, with newer versions of the Mac operating system, we will be automatically prompted to install Git using the developer command line tools. When this prompt comes up, you have the option of getting Xcode, which will include Git, dismiss this dialog entirely, which means not to install Git, or to install, which will install Git using the command line tools. Click on Install. On the license agreement, click on Agree. This will begin the download and installation process. Once the installation process is finished, click on Done. Great. To make sure we have a clean terminal session, let's quit out of terminal, Command Q, and fire it back up. Now type Git version, then press enter. If our installation was successful, Git will respond with the version number that's been installed. And in this particular case, we have in parenthesis the qualifier that it's an Apple version of Git.